A car air conditioner works by removing heat from the inside of the car and circulating cool air back in. It utilizes refrigerant, which absorbs heat and transforms from a liquid to gas. The compressor pressurizes the refrigerant gas, sending it to the condenser where it cools down and returns to a liquid. The liquid refrigerant then flows through an expansion valve, lowering its pressure and temperature. Finally, this cold refrigerant absorbs heat from the cabin air through the evaporator, cooling it down and cycling back.